Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
You are going to love the 2024 M3. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, traction control. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, airbags front knee, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, touch-sensitive controls, one-touch windows, 4-door courtesy lights.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.